You need to talk to Him. You need to visit Him. You need to be intentional in being with the Lord. You know what? I want to use my mom as my example. I want to honor my mom. Why? Because every day before magsimula ang negosyo, sasamba muna sa Diyos ko. Yun ang nanay ko. She will open the store with my brother. Okay, bubuksan nila, few instruction. And then anong gagawin ng nanay ko? Simba lang ako ha. Magsa-selfie muna pala. Madadala niya sa amin yung ano itsura niya kung paano siya magsimba. No? And after that, simba na ako. Every day. It's as if honoring first the Lord before anything else. I pray na maging habit natin na unahin ang Diyos. And in your time with the Lord, ask Him, saan mo po ako gustong pumunta? Kita nyo, iba yung dasal ha? Ano po ang dapat kong gawin? Hindi yung, Lord, gusto ko dito. Kita nyo yung difference? This time, let go of the steering wheel and allow the Lord to take you where you really need to go.